Hello students, Shahji Thomre from Solapur presenting in this video the margin space questions and English workshop activities of the poem Basketful of Moonlight of the 10th class. Students, in my previous videos I have covered chit-chat activities, poem explanation, figures of speech and appreciation. This is the fourth video of Basketful of Moonlight, and in this video I am going to cover the margin space activities and English workshop activities. So, in the margin space, the question is, what does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? Very easy question. The poet wishes to get moonlight from moon. The poet wishes to get the moonlight from the moon and the seeds as well. The poet wants to enlighten his village by moonlight. Or the poet wants to enlighten the path of the village or his village by moonlight. Next, road from the city is dangerous. Reason: the road from the city to the village is dangerous because it is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The road from the city to the village is dangerous because it is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Next, why does the poet want his father home early? Very important question. The poet wants his father home early because he wants to listen the fairy tales and stories from his father. And last question of the margin space, how do you spend your evening time with your family members? I spend my evening time with my family members on discussing important events. I spend my evening time by discussing my study plans. I take their suggestions about any work. I also listen stories from them in the evening. I also discuss regarding my study problems or my progress. These are the margin space questions. Students, one more question can be asked in examination, that is the problems faced by the villagers, and the points are lack of electricity, unemployment, lack of transport, rugged and tough road. These are the 4 points, and very important question for complete the following वेब साठी हा खूप महत्वाचा प्रश्न आहे. प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस्ड बाय द व्हिलेजर्स. Okay, now move to English workshop. Only objective things will be covered. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. The child wants to show small moons of light from the city to his village. The city to his village, underline. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Snakes and scorpions is the answer. C. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. Loan is the answer. Underline it. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns home early, or his father returns early. His father returns early. This is the answer. And number 2, write down the describing words used for the following nouns. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. खाली नाउन साठी विशेषणे शोधा किंवा डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड शोधा. स्मॉल मून्स, डार्क रूट, whole village, and early morning. These are the English workshop activities. So students, only objective things are covered here. Apart from that, one activity I want to mention here, things that the child wants to do. त्या मुलाला काय काय करायचं आहे. तर लिसन स्टोरीज अँड फेरी टेल्स फ्रॉम हिज फादर, रिमूव्ह इग्नोरन्स अँड स्प्रेड नॉलेज, then sow the seeds of moonlight, and last, light the dark root. These are the 4 actions the child wants to do. I want to repeat again. Listen to stories and fairy tales. Second, remove ignorance and spread knowledge. Third, sow seeds of moonlight. And last, light the dark root. These are the 4 actions the child wants to do. So students, in this video I tried to cover margin space activities and some objective activity regarding A1 A2 from English workshop. I hope that you would like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos with maximum students. Thank you so much.